In this video I show how I build this super simple tabletop downdraft table. The benefit of this is it captures a lot of airborne sawdust while sanding. Here you can see when there's no vacuum or anything, a lot of that sawdust just hangs in the air. But with the downdraft table with the vacuum hooked up, you can see how quickly it sucks the airborne sawdust down. Now going on with the build, I first cut two pieces at 16 by 24 inches. And I'm building this whole project out of MDF simply because that's what I had on hand for scraps, but plywood would really work great. Next I'm cutting the front, which will be 4 by 24 inches. Now for the front and back pieces here, to make it easy, they're matching the width of those first two pieces I cut. Except the back will be 8 by 24 inches because I want a lip going around the back and sides. Speaking of which, I'm cutting the sides at 8 by 17 inches, but I'm also going to cut the corners on these. This is for aesthetics, but it's also so I don't jab my arm on the front corners anytime I'm using this. Now because I'm using MDF, I'm going the simple route for assembly, just glue and brad nails. Screws don't always work well with MDF, but of course, like I said, if you build it out of plywood, screws would be great to really keep this thing sturdy. Next we need air holes in this top piece, and so for this I'm just going to drill out 1/4 inch holes 4 inches apart with a 2-inch border. Now this was a rough estimate on the hole diameter based on the vacuum hose I'm using, so of course you may want to change that if you're using a dust collector or a really powerful shop vac. Now the last thing I have to do is finish this. The cool thing is while I'm sanding I can actually use it to collect that sawdust. That's pretty cool. But I'm just going to finish this a nice bright white paint to get rid of that ugly MDF brown.